Hey guys, Sylvia here and welcome to my Leaderboard Kingpin review. Leaderboard Kingpin is the newest launch by James Renouf, and Max Gerstenmaier. Right, so here we have the members area, There's quite a lot to go through, guys, So I'll show you all of the modules and, the value is actually through the roof. I did go through this product yesterday and this morning. It did take me a little bit because there's a lot of content, to go through. And, in a nutshell, I would say what this product is all about without, beating around the bush and, telling you how fantastic it is and how you're going to make money from tomorrow and with no experience and all of that, which is like a baloney to me. Well, you can achieve that as long as you put that knowledge taken from this course in this instance into action. And what I love about these vendors, James and Max, and there is also Jeremy Kennedy involved in this training course further down the line in the bonus section, which I'll show you later. So what I love about these vendors that, they keep repeating. Guys, we also at some point, we knew nothing. We started from scratch. We had no experience, no sales, nothing, no proof, And, the only thing that differentiates us, from others who start but don't succeed, is that we carried on, we continued, we pushed through, Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing that it's going to set you aside and determine whether you're gonna turn into whether you're gonna go from zero to hero, so to speak. And I love it that they keep it realistic, but at the same time they provide so many ideas, and I would say it's like a brainstorming, this training course brainstorming as to how you can, maximize your results with a minimum input of time and effort, so to speak, because you would be using artificial intelligence. And, right, the sales page will be right below my review. Go check it out. So there's some pictures of Max. Max is a traveler. Where are you, Max? I did see some pictures of him. I mean, there's a lot of, that's all. Max is all, this is Max, on all kinds of platforms, or he's smashing it on TikTok, obviously YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, you name it. I mean, he really knows how to squeeze the lemon, and squeeze the best out of it. Crazy, amount of experience this guy has, and, he clearly knows what he's talking about. So let's go step by step and let me show you what sort of modules you have. Maximizing the power of AI, and they will go through various platforms, AI platforms, and most of these platforms will be free, or at least free to start with. Most of them will be free, in fact, that, they talk about and recommend that you use, to simplify the creation process, to simplify something that, back in the days, sounds like it was, in another era, used to take time or, on your behalf, if you had to do it yourself, or outsourcing would cost you a lot of money. But now with the power of AI, if you know how to do it, if you know the prompts, if you know the platforms, you can do it literally yourself as a beginner. But you can do it as a beginner, as a newbie, as someone with no experience, but you have to continue, Don't just go through the training course and, don't put anything that you would have learned from it into, action. I did, fish out quite a few really splendid ways of how I can maximize my profits as well. So I'm feeling quite inspired. Some of the really some of the stuff they talk about really resonated with me. So I'm gonna definitely, put it into action. So, first, after the introduction, guys, by James, and where they invite you to talk about the they don't really talk about the upsells here in the introduction, but you have access to the upsells. There's quite a few upsells. Some of them will be the previous products. This upsell number 1 is really good. The advanced training, how to scale things up, and some. So I would encourage you to go through those upsells, whatever you think would benefit you, pick it up, and whatever you would have picked up in the past, like this TikTok product, I believe they will put as one of the upsells or something like that. Just skip it, so, you know, pick what you want, leave what you don't want. But going back to the main training, this is just the front end, guys, all of that, okay? All of these modules here to the left, and it sells at around, I believe, $11, something like that, okay? We'll check the prices a bit later. But yeah, after the introduction, Max will show you, and most of the videos would have been put together by Max Gerstenmaier, some of them by James, just a few of them, and right at the bottom, the bonus section will be done by, it's a bonus section, but I believe from what I figured, by listening to all of the videos, it is from the previous product that is not available for sale anymore, okay? So, and that bonus right at the bottom is all about ranking, about creating, you know, bringing more traffic to your offers. But anyhow, let's go, you know, like step by step. So in the first module, Max will show you how to create a website with AI, okay? And, you know, and then how to have anything written for you. So have AI write anything for you, but he doesn't just go and show you ChatGPT or Google Bard, okay? He shows you specific platforms that are like good at accomplishing these tasks in particular. So writing blogs, writing websites, creating websites. So very, very targeted sort of task, if you know what I mean. And then I love this one. There's a few free sub-modules about this, your AI blog. So how to create a website. So AI blog website creation. And okay, so I'm not going to be able to click and open all of them up, guys. And it's not really cool to reveal too much information, especially that, you know, here, like, you know, you can build your AI blog here by clicking this button, and it's going to take you to that platform Max goes through and recommends to create your blogs with, okay? So under each and, you know, title module video, you will have the, sort of like a button that will take you to that platform, okay? So this is now how to create your logo, and there's a specific platform he recommends for creating for AI logo creation, not just Canva, okay? Not Canva. He hardly ever uses Canva here. I mean, he does use Canva a lot for, you know, creating some graphic designs, but you know, there's plenty of platforms that I have never heard about and I learned about from here, which are amazing, and they are free, guys. And as I said, they have done the research, they have done the brainstorming for you, so learn from them. And you know, they clearly use the platforms themselves. And sort of Max picked here his favorite platforms that he uses on a regular basis, daily, and he knows them because I can see how smoothly he moves through, you know, the platform. Right, and here he will actually show you how to create, you know, YouTube channel. It's quite a long video, this one, like half an hour long, YouTube channel with AI. And I like this secret free unlimited traffic hack to do with Instagram, okay, and how he repurposes his videos. Actually, in this one, he will show you how it's something he hasn't really revealed much before in his previous products, where he takes Creative Commons from YouTube video, he changes them up using Canva actually, and he will then use them to post them on Instagram. I'm not gonna say too much about that because it's a traffic hack, but a very smart one. I like the way he did it and how he redesigned the whole video. Super smart. He does it himself, and he teaches you how to do it here in this product. in this training course. Next one will be AI social media posts. So he will talk a lot about Facebook and how to do it the right way. He goes through all platforms, guys. So it's really like amazing value you're getting here. And then I like this one a lot. How have AI turn your long videos into short videos. There's a tool that does it for you. You just input your long video URL, and that tool will split it, will very cleverly pick the best sort of moments from your long video and put it into a shorter one, and you will have it your long, say 20 minutes video, you'll have it split into 8 YouTube shorts, okay, that you can then repurpose and also use as Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and all of that. So yeah, cool. Now, next module is James, how the tools James uses, and let me click on this video actually. This is, you see James and Dave Espino. They're very good. Dave is super experienced. He's done so many launches, okay? And then they created this YouTube channel, which very quickly got monetized. They have many subscribers, and in which, onto which they post many YouTube shorts that they create using these, secret AI platforms, AI tools. Okay, in the next video you will learn how to turn images into videos with AI, and then all about Facebook organic marketing with AI, guys, and then how to turn your blog into podcast in minutes. There's a platform for it, and how to have your AI creates quizzes for you in seconds. Again, quizzes are very engaging. You can use them for collecting leads and stuff like that, okay? And then how to turn photos with real people into cartoons. They're very good for thumbnails. They're very good to post on social media accounts. People love them. Those Disney cartoon looking people definitely apparently increase the click-through rate. Now, in the next module, you'll learn about AI image search engine, and how to create memes using AI. Again, all sorts of new platforms you would have never heard about before, you will discover here. I know I have discovered so many new platforms. I was like, wow, there's like an ocean of, but that's the thing. These are the platforms that Max and James use themselves. They've tested them out. They know these platforms, and most of them are free. So yes, that's great. This secret traffic hack, giving away freebies. I love this one. I'm not going to say too much about it, guys, but it's basically about creating a cool PDF and then finding platforms. I've already said too much. Where you can share this PDF. It's cool platforms, where you can share PDFs for free. And the way he created this PDF using Canva is amazing. And in that PDF, you'll have your affiliate link to a specific offer. So it's going to also be targeting a specific problem or a specific strategy, talking about a specific strategy. So yeah, it's going to attract targeted traffic. That PDF, and you share it across a few PDF sharing platforms, where people will just, come across your PDFs and possibly, can buy stuff from you because your affiliate link will be there. Max has had amazing results with this method himself. That's why he calls it here his secret traffic hack. And I love this. I'm gonna test it out myself. Right here in this video, partner up with us. They will invite you to the high ticket training course where you can actually partner up with them, launch products with them and stuff like that. That's really for action takers. And this bonus section, okay, this is by James, okay, and this one, sorry, and the other one is by Jeremy Kennedy, where they will talk you through all sorts of ways to improve your SEO, so your search engine optimization, your ranking, and many unknown ways. I love how they use Medium. I love how they use Reddit. I love how they use this platform Brainly, which is a little bit like Quora. I mean, so much they share here with you. And then the upgrades, guys. As you can see, this is the whole funnel. Quite a few upsells. Some of them would be the previous products, to be honest. But if we go, hold on. If we go here, let me just check the front end is $11, guys. There you will have some bump offers. It's quite a long funnel, to be honest. It's not something I am, a fan of long funnels. So I would say, I still believe, these upgrades are great, especially the first one, which is advanced training. Later on, you will just have to check whether possibly you already have the product, but because you would have bought it in the past, some of them will be the previous launches, as I said. So go through them, pick up what you want, leave what you don't want. But the front end for $11, and you're getting all of that content. Trust me, it's so well worth it. Okay, guys, so that was my review on Leaderboard Kingpin. And as for the bonuses, guys, if you got to this far, as you might have noticed, I wasn't talking about bonuses as well, because I was thinking, like, seriously, on top of all of that, and they give you so many bonuses here, you don't need more bonuses. Just go through this content here, okay, and put it into action. And then my bonus will be, if you're serious, okay, you can schedule a call with me, 15 minutes call. If you bought the product from me, schedule a call with me. You will find a link to my bonus page from inside of your Warrior Plus and a way to contact me. We can, schedule a 15-minute call. I'll tell you what I do, how I do it. With regards to affiliate marketing, I've been doing this for like 2.5 years, so I have a little bit of experience to share. Especially if you're a newbie, you will have, there will be a lot of confusion in your head, where to start, what to do. You can ask me questions, okay? And let's break it down and get to the bottom of this thing, and simplify things. I am here to help you out. So, I'm very, very approachable, and I am who I am. Okay. So don't be scared. Don't be shy. Talk to me, connect with me. I'm here to, again, help. Right, guys, that was my review on, again, what was it? Leaderboard Kingpin, repeating myself, but that's fine. And see you soon. Okay, you will find the link to the sales page below my review. Go check it out. If that's for you, by all means, you can pick it up from me. I am promoting it. Okay, bye.